Student, today we studied ethyl alcohol. Alcohol is the main parts of our life. Ethyl alcohol is made up of starchy grains, so it is also called grain alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is the main parts of alcoholic beverages, so it is also called alcohol only. Now we studied the methods of preparation of alcohols or ethyl alcohol. First, we prepare ethyl alcohol by alkyl halides. Reaction is C2H5I plus KOH alcoholic. It reacts with, then it's give C2H5OH plus Ki. The chemical formula of ethyl alcohol is C2H5, which have been structured like that. When the one hydrogen molecule of alkanes is replaced by alcoholic group, then it is called ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol, and so as. The second preparation of ethyl alcohol is by ethyl acetate. In that condition, the acetate, ethyl acetate reacts with sodium hydroxide, CH3COO, C2H5 reacts with OH, Na or NaOH. It gives C2H5OH plus CH3COO Na, sodium acetate and ethyl alcohol. The third preparation like that is by aldehydes, by the reduction of aldehydes. When acetaldehyde CH3CHO reduct with hydrogen, then it gives C2H5OH. What the two hydrogen atom reacts with acetaldehyde gave ethyl alcohol. The fourth preparation is by Grignard reagent. The formula of Grignard reagent is IMgC2H5 or RMgX. When it reacts with formaldehyde HCHO, it gives C2H5OH plus Mg I and OH. The fourth preparation in this series by the hydrolysis of ether in dilute H2SO4 by hydrolysis. When the ether C2H5 diethyl ether C2H5O C2H5 hydrolyzed in presence of dilute H2SO4, then it gives C2H5OH plus C2H6, ethane and ethyl alcohol. The next preparation by ethyl amine, by amines. When the ethyl amine formula C2H5NH2 reacts with HNO2, then it gives C2H5NH2 plus HNO2. It gives C2H5OH plus the main compound is the nitrogen gas is liberated with water. N2 liberate and water is reduced. Now the ethyl alcohol is also manufactured in fermentation methods and other laboratory methods. The reaction of fermentation method is from sugar, by sugar. Sugar having chemical formula C12H22O11. When it reacts with water, then it gives C6H12O6 glucose and another C6H12O6 fructose. When it glucose C6H12O6 reacts in presence of zymase enzyme, then it gives C2H5OH and water. C6H12O6 in presence of zymase enzyme, then it gives C2H5OH plus water. We also know that ethyl alcohol is also known as alcohol. Chemical properties of ethyl alcohol. The first chemical properties of ethyl alcohol is the reaction with sodium and potassium. C2H5OH plus reacts with 2Na, then it gives ethyl alcohol reacts with 2 molecules of Na, it gives sodium ethoxide C2H5ONa. The second chemical properties is esterification. When ethyl alcohol reacts with acetic acid, then it gives ester C2H5OH plus CH3COOH, then it gives C2H5COOCH3 plus water is liberated. The name of this compound is ethyl methyl acetate. The third chemical property is oxidation. When ethyl alcohol is oxidizes, then it gives aldehyde and another it gives acetic acid C2H5OH. On oxidation it gives CH3CHO and then oxidized it gives acetic acid CH3COOH. Means alcohols also form aldehydes and acetic acids. Next, it reacts with ammonia, also C2H5OH plus HNH2 means NH3. It gives amines, ethylamine C2H5NH2 plus H2O is reduced. Next, the reaction with sulfuric acid. If the ethyl alcohol reacts with sulfuric acid C2H2SO4, it gives C2H5HSO4 plus water. When the another reaction takes place, C2H5HSO4 reacts with also ethyl alcohol C2H5OH, then it gives diethyl ether C2H5O, C2H5 and water plus H2SO4 is reduced. The another reactions of ethyl alcohol is react with phosphorus pentachloride and phosphorus trichloride. On reacts with phosphorus pentachloride C2H5OH plus PCl5, it gives haloalkane C2H5Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. And another reaction with phosphorus trichloride C2H5OH plus PCl3, it gives C2H5Cl plus H3PO3. 3. The reaction takes place in presence of AlCl3. The another reaction is on heating. On heating, ethyl alcohol gives the compound named acetaldehyde. On heating with presence of copper, it gives CH3, CHO, and hydrogen is liberated. The another reaction with Grignard reagent. On reacts with Grignard reagent, C2H5OH plus MgRX, it gives C2H5 ether, or the compound methane, C2H CH4 plus MgOH and Br. The another reaction takes place with acetic anhydride and acetyl chloride. With acetic anhydride, C2H5OH means ethyl alcohol gives the compound which named as acetate, CH3 CO, CH3CO, acetic anhydride, then it gives CH3 COO C2H5 plus CH3 COOH. With acetyl chloride, C2H5 OH plus CH3 COCl, it gives also acetate CH3 COO C2H5 plus HCl. Now the uses of ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is a alcoholic beverages. We also know that it is also called alcohol, and alcohol is a liquor. And the second is it is manufactured chloroform and iodoform. The third, it is used in paint and color industries, the perfume industries, the soap industries, and the other alcoholic and domestic uses. Thank you.